Dude! Here she is, dude.
You don't have a choice.
Today's not the day.
It's definitely the day. You just don't have a choice.
Today's not the day.
What do we got here?
This is a sketch.
Oh.
This is a table sketch. What do you think it is?
I'm gonna guess the head. The orange head.
It's a baby's arm holding an apple.
That reminds me of something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's what I base most of my designs for motorcycles off of. Baby's arms holding apples.
You're really into that shape.
I'm into the shape of it. I think it's like, yeah, it's, you know, I think everybody can relate to it.
Yeah.
I think everybody can relate. So yeah, yeah. That was my reference for what I need to build for the knuckle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is shift gate.
I think you're fucking dead on.
Dead on.
Everything on the bike
Dead on.
looks
veiny.
like a baby's
Everything
arm.
on the bike is veiny.
Vein? It's definitely veiny.
Baby's arms are veiny.
Yeah.
They're vascular.
Baby's arms are veiny?
Yeah, they come out jacked, dude. They're crazy looking. I was jacked as a kid. And then McDonald's.
What happened?
I ate a lot of McDonald's.
Okay.
You Boston Market.
Yeah.
As a kid.
This is like a later in life
You
thing.
get that?
I think so.
Hell yeah. Oh, those clutch plates are like burned into my nose now. The stench of burnt clutch plates, it's the worst.
I'm sorry.
It's gross.
Is that why you don't do burnouts or?
That's why I don't do burnouts. That's why I don't do wheelies. That's why I don't mess about with my motorcycle, okay? It's safety. I took the safety course, okay?
The 2-day thing?
I took the 2-day safety course and they told me not to mess about.
That's
so
what
I
they
don't.
teach you.
All right, so I don't. Safety first, okay? Motorcycles are dangerous.
I think this is an important lesson.
This is an important lesson, okay? Everybody's like, oh, keep choppers sketchy. No, keep them safe, all right?
Oh,
keep them on the road.
Oh, use an old Springer.
We're past that.
Okay.
We've grown past that now.
We learned.
We've learned, okay? Use your brakes, all right? Put oil in your bike, all right? Keep choppers safe and on the road. That's what we're here to tell people. That's gonna be on the next shirt. Keep choppers safe. Wear your helmet. Don't go over the speed limit. This is all on the shirt. Wear boots, leather, sunglasses in the daytime, clear glasses at night.
Eye protection, man.
Eye protection.
The sun is bright.
Yes, don't do drugs.
Guy goes to Italy, comes back.
That's it.
Very safety
I
conscious.
saw how they do it over there, dude, and I came back, and you know, we need to revamp stuff. I'm here to revamp America.
Yeah.
All right, I'm here to revamp motorcycles.
Revamp America.
Revamp America with the Eazy Company.
America reform.
I'm reforming America one
Chopper. Safety.
one chopper at a time.
Okay, perfect. Oh.
What?
I could spin the fucking clutch by hand.
Oh, dude, fucking stinks. Jesus Christ. Let's not bother with this bullshit. Look at this thing, huh? Look at our new piece. Look at this. What is he yapping about?
It's inaudible. You can't really understand what he's saying.
Look at this thing.
How tall is that?
What?
That's fucking insane.
Dude, not as tall as me, bro.
It's true.
Ah.
You are taller than it.
I sure am. I sure am. This Springer's almost 6 feet tall.
You're almost 6 feet
I'm
tall.
pretty close to 6 feet, so some would say I could be almost 6 feet tall.
Almost is such a fun word.
You know?
Yeah.
Almost 6 feet.
You're
all right?
almost as tall as me.
I'm almost as tall as a lot of people. I'm as tall as a regular human.
Your average size.
I'm an average. Some would say above average.
All right.
Some would say, huh?
Who would have said that?
A lot of people say that. The bikes are getting really wet.
What's the protocol here?
I think we just allow it to happen.
What are we gonna do? Yeah.
Did you ever watch that movie?
No.
The Warriors of Virtue, dude?
I remember it.
The kangaroos?
Yeah.
I loved it. I loved it. I loved that movie. I'm such a fan of animal team ninjas.
Ninja Turtles?
Ninja Turtles, Warriors of Virtue.
Is there more?
Multiple X-Men that are part animal.
But are they ninjas?
Kinda. They all know karate, sorta.
That's not a ninja.
Like, you know what I'm talking about. What
I
other?
guess.
They were.
Who? I want to know.
Street Sharks, they were more of like.
Were they ninjas?
They were more street fighters. They were more fighting in the street. They were more street fighting. You know, Battletoads. Even though it was a video game, they did have a cartoon.
But were they ninjas?
They were battling.
I think they knew,
Some of them knew karate.
Krav Maga or something.
They were Krav Maga, yeah.
Frog Magav.
Yeah. I wonder if we left the panhead and the panheads outside, they'll get struck by a lightning bolt. Yeah. They'll turn to knuckleheads. That's what's up, dude. And that's how.
That's our film.
That's it, right there. Powder. That's it. Yeah. Powder. We have a bike show.
Oh.
Worcester. Have you ever thought maybe like ever in your life what it would be like to ride your motorcycle in Worcester? Have you ever thought that? No. You ever watched the YouTube channel and say, what is it like to ride a bike in Worcester? What is it like to live in Worcester? What is it like to be a Worcester person?
Can you fix my bike by that time?
No. If you ever wondered what it was like to ride a motorcycle in Worcester, come to Easy Times Chopper Rally, July 9th. Right, Josh?
Is it July 9th?
July 9th. I know that because we are putting it on.
Oh, okay.
We will be there. Josh will be there. Snipping hair. Snipping all sorts of hair.
That's what he does.
Snipping all of it. All the hair. Bring it out. Bring your hair out. He'll snip it. There'll be beers. There'll be bitches.
Whoa.
And there'll be bikes.
That's aggressive.
We're practicing chopper safety this year. Okay, we're practicing chopper safety. We're riding slow. We're wearing our helmets.
Sober.
Sober as a judge. Your bikes need to be a neutral color. We don't want any wacky colors. Neutral only. Pastels, probably.
Wouldn't you want it to be louder? But for visibility
Neutral
purposes?
colors only.
Okay, all right.
All right? Safety orange. You need to be wearing 3% safety orange. So wear a safety orange vest. A hat.
3%.
3% safety orange. Yeah, that's
It's not a lot. That's like
not
socks.
a lot. Yep. Socks, sure.
Documenting John working on a dyno.
I love donuts. Are you gonna buy it? I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna buy one.
You're gonna get a Fat Boy Slim?
I'm gonna get a Fat Boy Slim. Fuck! Someone else finish the bike for me, please. Everything.
Don't.
All I smell is clutch plates.
Don't miss up this place.
I'm missing right now, dude.
Oh,
Okay.
You're onto the tank shift. I'm sorry to
the
hear
tank
that.
shift.
That's gonna suck.
That's why I've been sitting around. My Apple arm didn't lead you to that.
I should have figured that,
Okay.
but I know how you get distracted and like.
I've been distracted for a little bit now.
Yeah.
Okay. Dude! Dude! That was recorded. What? Dude.
Doesn't smell good either.
Dude. I can't handle it right now.
I had to brighten the mood a little bit. What are you doing?
We need everybody to go to throttleauction.com, okay? If you're sitting in your lazy boy and you're thinking, should you buy chopper parts? Yeah, go to throttleauction.com. Click the link in the description. Click the link right up above me here in the corner. Click it, go to Throttle Addiction. Live, love, laugh with Throttle Addiction with us. Throttleauction.com, baby. Get it. Get after it.
You have to want it.
You have to want it.
You know?
You have to want it.
Do I have to want it?
I guess I have to want it. There we go. Gotta put my speed demons on. We're gonna get there in time.
What are we doing?
Picking, baby. Snitching, dog. We out snitching. Right?
Snitchers part 69.
Snitchers part 69, 420.
Yeah.
Yep. You get leads, you go for it. You get a lead, you go for it. This is an old lead. Been after this lead for a while. Aged lead.
Once again, we're stealing from Connecticut.
Oh, dude, I know. Back in CT. Ugh. If this bike was any other bike, we wouldn't be going there.
You made it this far. That's amazing.
Yeah, dude, you do the zipper technique.
People get
Oh, people hate
angry.
it. That guy hated what I just did.
We're here.
Connecticut. Thanks, Connecticut. We're here. We're here. Doing it. Doing the Lord's work. Still haven't cleaned the windshield. See what we got. Oh yeah. Perfect. Here she is, dude. I've been staring at the picture of this thing for
I know
years.
the tank is sick.
Oh, the tank's wicked cool. Can we roll it outside?
Yeah, roll it
Hell
right
yeah.
Oh,
Hitting the
yeah,
bike.
we got
Hold on,
another
hold
one
on.
back here.
We're good. Let me, Craig, grab the front tire and just roll me forward. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get her in the
Magic.
sunlight.
Wow.
Good.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, she's bad.
So the frame's right, the engine's right. You know, we checked out numbers and stuff. They didn't. There was no numbers on the frame back then.
Right.
The only thing I think missing from the frame is the tool, where the toolkit
Yeah,
was.
the toolbox mount's gone, and I mean,
I think that's it.
it looks pretty good. Yeah, all this is intact. The back tabs are welded back on, but they're there. Yeah, the toolbox mount's missing.
I think that's all they did to the frame, which is surprising.
Wicked surprising. I mean, usually the first things to go are the sidecar loops. And this fender is cool. I think it's an old like Sportster fender. Like it looks like the way that these are.
It's pretty
the
neat.
Trim. It's wicked cool. Yeah, this thing is bad. The shifter. That's the fucking shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Dude,
I guess
yeah.
these two ripped around on this.
Oh, I believe
up
it.
until.
Yeah, sick. Yeah, the lane numbers match. Initially, when I hit you up
That was
years
like
ago,
2018, I
dude, yeah,
think.
years ago,
2019.
yeah, because I was looking at the shit you had for sale.
Yeah.
And then I missed out because whoever came down and bought like most of the shit or whatever.
One dude bought everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I missed that, but then I was like, you got anything else? And you were like, actually,
Yeah.
check this out. But you at the time you were like, I'm keeping it. I'm gonna ride it. But I saved the picture in my phone, and I'd had it, and I'd like show up. I'd be like, dude, check this thing out. This is in Connecticut somewhere. Like so psyched on it.
I've seen it a few times.
I showed him a million times. But yeah, and then eventually, dude, when I got a hold of you again, I was like, is that thing still around?
I wonder who painted the tank. Like that, I love it.
It's awesome.
I do love it.
Yeah, the tanks are so bad.
And it's not dinged up or, oh, this side is, yeah, faded.
Yeah, but that's kind of, like adds character to it, you know what I mean?
I have some old bobber tanks that are all crusty. I saw the one you guys got from the other dude in Connecticut. Oh, did you guys get that tank?
Which tank?
Oh, it's Dan.
Oh, no, he won't sell it to me.
Oh, you won't sell
He
it?
won't fucking sell it, no.
Sell it, Dan.
Sell it, loser.
Yeah, we never even messed with it. Like,
No
we
shit,
never,
huh? I'm gonna kick it through.
Things have been so busy.
Yeah.
That's convenient.
Turns over.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, dude, this thing is cool, man. Cool. Yeah, this thing is cool as hell, man. I love it.
It was in a storage unit.
Yeah, okay.
Initially, those pictures, and that's where I got
That's
it.
in the storage unit.
Yeah, I walked in. That was the only bike I was interested in.
Right. Yeah, wow, the brown pedals and shit, too. Yeah, I mean, whoever built it did a fucking good job.
That's all he did.
It's got good taste, like it's got all the cool shit on it.
I even like the cable mount. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Holy shit.
Let me see that in.
This?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the mousetrap eliminator.
That's a genius idea.
What?
Extra master link right there.
Oh, yeah, no shit.
Picture.
You want to see the bike he's crashed on?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, if you want to show it to us, man, definitely.
You know, it was a bad accident.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
And I read I used to be a paramedic before I was a convict. Once you're a convicted felon, they take that away.
yeah.
Really?
What's that say? Right there. Huh? What's that guy right there? Nice.
That's exactly where it went.
It was the other direction, but alright. That bike is sick.
It's fucking awesome.
So sick. Survivors. Yeah, let's go look at some parts. You need to put your seatbelt on. Safety, Craig. Deal is done. Bob's the man.
You meet the nicest people on a Harley.
You'd meet the nicest people on a Harley. I was probably supposed to go that way.
Probably.
Yep. Oh, we need to go in like the toll. We need to go like back past the house. Where she belongs. In the woo. In the woo, baby.
Back home. It's
Back
back home.
Back home. Oh no, God. This is just delicious. It is delicious. It's ready to do 100 miles an hour.
They painted the wall for us too.
Yeah.
I like the other color better. It's actually like kind of a cool set of pipes.
It is a cool set of pipes. They're Andersons.
How's it feel?
Good. Dude, this is awesome. The mousetrap eliminator. Oh, something happened. I can't pull the clutch in now. It's rubbing on something because this seat's moving up and down. When I sit on the seat, the clutch is like, just a couple little things to address. 50 FL. Just matching 7s in the back, baby! This is a good one. We did all right?
I think we did all
You
right.
just kick right through. You just kick right past it. That's how you do it.
Oh no.
Oh no. Yeah, push him in. God damn it. Oh fuck.
To never be started again.
Shit. Alright, well. I guess that'll stay like that for a second. Gotta grab. Now I gotta get tools.
Boom.
Oh, we did it. We did it. We did it. Did we do it?
I feel like we did it.
I feel like we also did it. Oh no, get out of here. We made it to the big leagues, boys and girls. We got a lounge chair. We got a lazy boy outside in the heart of Worcester, baby.
I'm sweating.
This is when you know you've made it, when you have 4 panheads in your shop and a lazy boy outside.
Big time. This is big time.
This is big dog shit right here. That's it. Only one thing to do. Only one thing left to do. Like and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe to the channel. We were out last week. We had things to take care of. Craig got a cold. I decided to go to Italy. All right. Craig's got the sniffles. I went to Italy. I had to visit the motherland. All right. It's not all it's cracked up to be. I'll tell you that much. All right. We're back. We're in full force. All right. We're taking over the summer. July 9th. Easy Times Chopper Rally at Ralph's down the street. Come party with us.
Please.
In Worcester. Get drunk. Sleep on the streets. See what I'm saying? They heard about the lazy boy. So we want you to like and subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe to life. Okay? Click bells, click whistles, click whatever they want you to click. All right? Like and subscribe. Craig?
Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe to life. All right? Let's all follow each other on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Facebook Marketplace. Send us parts. Send us knuckle parts. We have panheads. We need knuckleheads.
It's true.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Merch, we don't have any right now, but we will. Easy Times Chopper Rally, July 9th.
Coming soon.
Coming soon. Peace.